The next course that we're going to be delivering is called Scaling Good Services. This is a 2-day masterclass for people who are leading change in their organizations. So I always like to think about service design as kind of 90% sort of convincing people of the idea you're trying to get across, and about 10% design. And that 90% is often the bit that, you know, we're not taught about, we struggle with. I know I certainly have struggled with that in the past. So Scaling Good Services is designed to help give people the tools and skills and equipment to be able to have better conversations with their stakeholders, to understand how to lead service design in their organizations and to scale that. So it's a 2-day masterclass for people who perhaps maybe are in leadership roles in the organization, or perhaps maybe having to get service design, user-centered design to be taken seriously, but want a little bit more in depth around what that actually looks like. So if that sounds like you, then Scaling Good Services is the course for you.